Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2016 Lexus NX 200T F-Sport Series 3 in the ultrasonic blue mica finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a local Calgary car with a clean accident-free Carfax. Some of the features do include premium LED headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, F-Sport front grille, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, automatic high beam, park assist sensor switch, blind spot monitor with a rear cross traffic alert, power liftgate, pre-collision system, center locking differential, heated steering wheel, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, a 10-speaker Lexus premium audio system, drive mode select with the Sport Plus, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, heads-up display, electronic parking brake, remote touchpad, QI compatible wireless smartphone charging, sunroof, black interior in great condition, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.